Hi guys, welcome to the Deriv channel. So today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can deposit and withdraw on the Deriv platform. There's a lot of changes that have been made in this 2023 on Deriv, and I'm going to teach you guys step by step how you can deposit and withdraw on the Deriv platform in 2023. Now guys, stay tuned with me at the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, that is video guys, and also turn on the post notification so anytime I post a strategy you guys be aware. Now let's dive into the strategy. Let's dive into this video guys. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to get started and log into your Deriv, into your Deriv account, or you go to deriv.com, log into your account. This is how the dashboard is going to look like. So now it's loading. So this is how the app is going to look like. This is how the app is going to look like. Now wait a second, I think it's loading. So our network somehow is a bit slow. So guys, now this is how it's going to look guys once you log into your Deriv account. Now the next thing you have to do is just click on this button right here. Click on the button right here. Click on this button right here. Now also click on it, then you will see you will see cashier right here. You see cashier right here guys. So once you see cashier right here, just click on it guys. Just click on it and you will see deposit right here, and then this is the withdrawal. Now the first thing, let us talk about how you guys can deposit. Now click on the deposit, then it will direct you into where you are going to deposit to Deriv account. Now there's 3 ways you can use to deposit to the Deriv platform. And the first one is using your bank card or something, and the second one is using your crypto. You can see it using cryptocurrency to deposit, and the last one is by payment agents guys. Now in today's video we are just going to be talking about how you guys can deposit with cryptocurrency, because this crypto is very easy, and you can deposit with a minimum of $1 into the Deriv account, which is quick and very easy. Now let's just click on the deposit, which is the cryptocurrency. Also click on it, then you choose one of your account and add new cryptocurrency account. Now once it's loaded, it will ask you which type of cryptocurrency you want to use to deposit. Now I already have Bitcoin, Litecoin, USDT, USDT, and if I want to add more, you can see right here. If I want to add more, I can add more cryptocurrency, add new one. Now this is how you can. Also, let's say you want to deposit with Bitcoin. All you have to do is just click on the Bitcoin right there, and then click on continue right here. Also click on continue. It will direct you to where you are going to see a link of the address you are going to deposit with. So what you have to do is you have to just copy the address. You can see it copy right here. Just copy the address, then go to your wallet account where you have your BTC. Just copy this address, paste it there, and then do the transfer with it. And then once it's already successful on your wallet account, then it will automatically show here on your Deriv account. Now let's say you don't want to use your BTC, you can use something else, which is Litecoin. You can use Litecoin to deposit, and you can use USDT to deposit. Now and more like that guys. Now the second one is the withdraw button. This is how you are going to withdraw. Go back to this button right here. Go back here, then click on it. Once you click on it, you will see cashier. Just click on cashier guys. Click on cashier, then click on the withdraw button right here. Once you click on the withdraw button, then do it will direct you to a page where you can where you can also withdraw with your credit or debit card, with your credit card, and then with cryptocurrency as well, and then you also withdraw with the payment agent and some others. Now it doesn't show this to me because I don't have any funds on my PT account. So because this is just normal, this is just normal Deriv account that I'm using. It's not my own personal Deriv account. This is just to teach you guys how you can deposit and withdraw into your Deriv account. So that's why I don't have any crypto, because majorly I don't use this account. That's the reason why I don't have any funds right there. So that's how you guys can deposit and also withdraw on the Deriv platform. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to do me able by subscribe to my channel, like the video guys, and also turn on post notification. Once I post the strategy, you guys will be aware. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video guys.